Hey everyone, today's video is going to be about Boxycharm! Yay! So for those that don't know about Boxycharm, it is a $21 subscription, monthly subscription, where you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and they are valued over $100. So it's a really cute little subscription that lets you try out a lot of different types of makeup and skincare. I know this month they had quite a bit of a fiasco going on with the eligibility to be able to get the Boxyluxe, which is a bigger box that is worth up to like $300 for $28.99 more every 3 months. So they had a hot mess going on. Some people were put on wait lists, some people were just completely kicked out, some people were able to upgrade and get it. I was one that tried to upgrade and it didn't let me, so suppose for December. I do know it's quarterly, so hopefully they get their stuff together and we'll be able to try it out in December. But yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and do the little unboxing and see what we got. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what shows up. You always get a little card that tells you about each product and how much it's worth, and then also there's always some sort of coupon on the back just to give you an extra discount if you want to get some of their stuff that they sent you. Excuse my hair, it's super rainy here, so the puffiness is here to stay. So my first product that I got in my box is this Baked Blush and Brighten by Laura Geller. I really do like the color. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, but I don't mind it as long as it's not too shimmery. Let's see if we can do a little swatch. So really pretty color. You just want to make sure you don't go too heavy-handed with it. So yes, cute little blush. I need to get a wipe. Okay, the next thing I got, which I'm not too crazy about, is this Butter London Roll-On Precise Liner. I don't know if this is a gimmick product, but I mean, we're going to have to try it out and see. Let me do a little swatch and see how it applies. I mean, it's pretty black, and it does have this little weird applicator, so we're just gonna have to try it on and see. I'm not the biggest fan of black liners, so I don't know, we'll have to try it out and see if we like it. The next thing that I got, which I'm really excited, was these brushes. I love getting brushes. I love adding to my collection. Brushes is something that you always need, and they're all different no matter how many different ones you get, so they all have a different purpose. So I really do like these brushes. Let's see how they feel. Oh, sorry, the stickiness. So it looks like we have a kind of a tapered brush, maybe for packing on shadow or cutting the crease. A blending brush to blend out your eyeshadow. They're okay. They're not the softest, but they're not the stiffest. And then we do have this just sharp brush, maybe to apply shadow underneath the lash line, or using it for eyeliner as well. So brushes are always a plus in my book. Okay, the next thing I got was this Lorac Matte Liquid Lipstick. I was so excited, but when I saw the color, I was like, oh, I'm not the biggest fan of purple, so I did get the color Wisteria. I prefer more of a mauve-y nude, so let's swatch it and see. This is what the tube looks like. So after swatching it, this is what the color looks like. It's definitely pigmented, and it's a really pretty formula. I'm just not crazy about purples, and I don't know how much use I'll get out of it. I really hope it would. I mean, when you sign up for Boxycharm, it does let you customize to what colors and stuff you like. So I'm not sure why I got this color. Alright, and the last product that we got that I was super excited about was this Pretty Vulgar palette. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, so that's awesome, and it's more of a smoky brown color palette. So I'm really excited. Some of these colors look really pretty and promising, so I can't wait to play with it and see how it works. I don't really want to start swatching it because I don't want to get it dirty. But we can do a color or two, so let's see. Ooh, it is very pretty. Let's swatch this blue one. So definitely one that you can play with and build some awesome looks with. So here are some of the swatches. I don't know if you can see them. So yeah, it's definitely pigmented, and I've heard that it's pretty good quality. I've never tried anything from them, but we will have to check it out. So yeah, I got 5 products. We'll have to give them a try, see how they work. I'm pretty excited about this box. Last box was okay, but I didn't get to film it, but I will be filming it from now on if I keep getting Boxycharm. So yeah, that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what products you got if you also do Boxycharm, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!